Right, let's have a go at this one then. 2 minus root 2 to the power 5. We need to let it equal a plus b root 2 and find a and b for question 14. So let's have a go at that then. Let's expand that bracket, first of all on the left. So let's write down Pascal's triangle. We need to go up to the fifth row, which is here. There we go. This is the 0th row, so to speak. So this corresponds to the 5th row here. Now we've got 2 to the power 5. We start with that value and then we descend the powers, don't we? 2 to the 4, 2 cubed, 2 squared, and just 2 to the power 1. Then we look at the second term. We do the exact same process in the opposite direction. Minus root 2. So it's minus root 2 to the 5, minus root 2 to the 4, minus root 2 cubed, minus root 2 squared, then just minus root 2, and that's what we've got. Now let's combine the terms to see what the answer is then. There's the first term, there's the second, third, fourth, fifth, and the 6th and last term. So what does that equal then? So that equals, let's work it out, 2 to the 5 is 32 times 1. So you just got 32, haven't you? So 32 there. 2 to the 4 is 16. 16 times 5 is 80, and it's a minus, and it's 80 lots of root 2, isn't it? Because there's a root 2 there. 2 cubed is 8. There's a 10. Minus root 2 squared will be a plus. That's 2. Times 8 is 16. Times 10 is 160. Then this one is minus, see it there? Minus root 2 cubed, so a minus will come out here. You've got a root 2, but you've also got the square part will be 2. Times 2 squared is, that's 4. 2 times 4 is 8, times 10 is 80. And there's lots of root 2. This is now plus, and it will be 4. Times these two is 10. These two are 10. 4 times 10 is 40. And then lastly, minus root 2 to the 5, so it's going to be a minus. There's going to be root 2 to the power 4, which is like 4 times another root 2, isn't it? There we go. So that's what we've got. So let's just work out what that is then. We should have 6 terms, which we have. So let's tot up the numbers. 32. 160 and 40 is 200, see it? And then 32 more, so that's 232. And then you've got minus 80, minus another 80. And then minus 4, lots of root 2. So that's minus 164 root 2's. So A equals then, that would be 232. And the B equals minus 164, isn't it? There we go. Good.